What is up? What is going on there, NFL Rivals content viewers? Today, it is Saturday, the best day of the week. That screen pass should be available for $2.99. It's 10:03 a.m., so we'll see if we can pull that absolutely fantastic legendary. I'm not even going to say names today. Every time I ask for a player specifically by name, I do not pull that player. Give me a... Yeah, no, I ain't gonna say it. Come on. Alright, it'll be the second. This is the card right here. This is the money shot. Alright. Alright. Well, that is a player that I do not have. It's not a good player to pull. Yeah. Well, thank you. I'll just show you guys the inventory and then we'll call it a day. There he is, Mr. Morris on the bottom. Thank you. Have a great day.